So, hey everyone, this is Vedika standing right before you to speak upon a very wonderful topic which would be given to me by the judges. So, I request the judges to please give me a topic.
Hello, Vedika.
Hello,
Your
ma'am.
topic is benefits of co-education.
Benefits of co-education.
Okay.
Have you ever imagined what would happen when a girl and a boy study in same classrooms, in same schools? They respect themselves, they respect each other, and they respect every other gender. So, my topic for today is the benefits of co-education. Co-education is super beneficial in today's life, as we all have seen. There is a need in our world to respect each other genders, and when girls and boys study in same classrooms, they develop respect for other genders. They even behave mentally and physically more trained and more of a good personality, because they try to make themselves look more confident in front of the other gender, and they try to make them look a good personality in front of the other gender peoples. I feel that the co-education is super beneficial for our today's generation, because we should learn the respect, we should learn the moral values, and we should learn how to behave in front of people, and the co-education teaches us it. But however, I've also seen that some people think that co-education isn't important and put their child into a different school, which is or maybe a girls' school, girls in a girls' school and boys in a different boys' schools, which makes them only face their genders and don't make them face the challenges which are generally to be faced by them. At conclusion, I would just like to say co-education is beneficial, but we should also respect its challenges, and we should also understand how it helps growing our mind, and we should also understand how it helps in our development. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Vedika, nicely delivered.
Yes,
The question for you is, it's ideal to have co-education. Why? Because we should respect both the genders. But being a girl, how do you feel like it would have been beneficial for you if your parents would have, chosen girl education, single.
So, being a girl, I would just believe that getting an education in a girls' schools means that facing only same gender. I would not be able to face a different gender in my future, and I would be underconfident in front of them. So I believe that being a girl, I should get a co-education and also have a get education and better education in a co-education schools, because that is beneficial for us.
Okay, does that mean that there are a few schools who are, single gender schools? So are they not justifying this?
No, sir, it completely doesn't mean that they are not justifying and they are not giving better education. It just means that they are just creating some differences for genders. They just have the different genders in the schools and they just create differences. But I'm not saying that their education isn't proper and best. They also give best and proper education available. And I feel that it should be there, and I feel co-education should be more beneficial to look confident and to have and develop a great personality in front of everyone in the future.
Sure, that will do. That's fine. Any other
Yes.
question?
Any other question?
Vedika, is there any benefit of having education in a single-sex education?
Yes, there are benefits. There are some people who take disadvantages of co-education, like getting attracted towards the different gender, and also, that is not a right age for being them attracted towards the different gender. So I feel that could be the disadvantages, and so then the single schools, the single gender schools play a crucial role at that time. So I believe that.
Okay. Any further question? No? Okay. Thank you so much.